triangle ABCD is an equilateral. Triangle FDE is inscribed in triangle ABCD, where FD and E are midpoints on each side. AB equals 12y. Find the area of triangle FDE in terms of y.
So we know these are the midpoints. And we have an equilateral, so I know they're all going to be one tick mark. Because all sides are the same. If y'all remember the mid-segment, as long as I create a dot on the midpoint, it's going to create also another equilateral triangle. And the way I'm looking at it is, we have 4 individual equilateral triangles. Do we all see that? Okay? So one given information is that AB is 12y. This is 12y. So what does that mean for one segment? 6y. And it says in terms of y, that means I want the equation without or with the y and not a whole number. So let's write out our equation of the area for equilateral. Y'all remember side squared. What was the next thing? Root 3 over 4. And we're wanting FED. So, or FDE. I'm going to highlight this. So we know our one side is 6y. So let's fill it in. 6y square root 3 over 4. This right here tells me we have 6y times 6y. How many is that? 36y squared. Root 3 over 4. And then the whole numbers can be further simplified. How many is 36 divided by 4? 9. And I'm going to put all the numerical values first and then the variable at the end. Boom, done. That's it. It is in terms of y, meaning there's a y value in the equation or the answer. Let's go to number 18.
Wait, why did you square the y?
Because it is all of it squared. It is 6y times another 6y. Yes, ma'am?
If you already squared it, then why is the square still there?
Because when I square the y, I can't go on any further. Because the y is a variable. It's not a number. Okay, 18. Charlie, let's read number 18, please.
Find the area of the figure below, right triangle and
Okay, so we have 2 shapes. A semicircle. And then we have, what is this shape called? Trapezoid. So let's write the equation. Semicircle would be pi r squared divided by 2. The trapezoid formula is the height times b1 plus b2 divided by 2. What is the radius of our semicircle? Pi 9 squared all over 2. This one I cannot further split because 81 and 2 is not going to give us a clean number. Now let's fill in the next piece. The bases are parallel to each other. So if I know this radius is 9, what's the whole diameter? 18. So we have our height is what's connecting the bases, 13. And we have 7 plus 18 divided by 2. Why not put this on the calculator? We got 25 times 13 divided by 2. And then let's make it into a fraction. I have 325 over 2. 162.5 is also fine. And it says in terms of pi, that's already in terms of pi, so I'm happy with this. Could I write this as a mixed fraction if I want to? As in, like 40 and 1/2 pi and so on? That's up to you. Okay, number 19. Lily, let's read number 19, please. Okay, for the surface area, let's write out all the formulas involved in this. So I have a cube on the bottom and a square pyramid on the top. On the square pyramid, am I adding the base? It's only going to be our lateral area. And if you remember, the formula is perimeter of the base times the length divided by 2. And look at the bottom. Do I need all 6 faces of the cube?
No.
I need one less, right? So I have 5 times side squared. If you want to say e squared, that's fine too. So the perimeter is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20. The lean is given to us, which is what? 4 divided by 2. And then 5 times my side squared is basically 25. That's going to give us about, I would say, 40 plus 125. Together will be 165 inches squared.